Hello, good morning students. Students, today we will discuss about the atomic number and mass number. Now, as we know that the atom as a whole is electrically neutral, means atom हमेशा electrically neutral, atom के ऊपर कोई charge नहीं होता. This means that the number of positive charged particles present in the atom, that is the protons, is always equal to the number of negatively charged particles, that is electrons present in it. And this number is called as the atomic number. Atomic number is represented by capital Z. That is atomic number of an element, that is Z, is equal to total number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of that element, or it is also equal to total number of electrons present in the neutral atom. Okay. Now further, this atomic number is also called as the proton number. Atomic number को हम proton number भी बोलते हैं. Why? Because the charge on the nucleus of an atom depends upon the number of protons present in it. That's why the atomic number is also called as the proton number. Now further हम बात करें तो जो एटम है उसके अंदर तीन ही फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स हैं, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स. अब जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं उनका तो मास नेग्लिजिबल होता है, ऑलमोस्ट जीरो होता है. देयरफॉर किसी भी एलिमेंट के एटम का जितना भी मास होता है वो उसके प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स की वजह से होता है. And therefore, the number of protons and neutrons present in the atom in combined form, उनको हम नाम दे देते हैं न्यूक्लियॉन्स का. They are called as the nucleons. Why? Because they resides in the nucleus of an atom of that element. क्योंकि वो किसी भी एटम की न्यूक्लियस के अंदर रहते हैं. That's why protons और neutrons को हम combined form में बोल देते हैं न्यूक्लियॉन्स. Now further, as we know, each of these particles, that is each of the proton or neutron, has one unit mass on the atomic mass scale. अगर आप atomic mass scale की बात करो तो चाहे वो प्रोटॉन हो चाहे वो न्यूट्रॉन हो, उसका वन यूनिट मास हम लेके चलते हैं. दैट मीन्स किसी भी एलिमेंट के एटम का जितना भी मास होता है दैट इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स एज वेल एज द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन इट. एंड दिस नंबर is called as the mass number. And this mass number is represented by capital A. That is mass number of an element, that is A is equal to, capital A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons, that is equal to mass number. Okay. Now most of the students think that what is the difference between the mass number and the atomic mass. Mass number of an element is nearly equal to the atomic mass of that element, but the basic difference between these two is that the mass number of an element is always a whole number, whereas the atomic mass of an element is usually not a whole number. It can be fractional also. Now what is the reason of this, what is the reason behind it? This means that as we know that the mass number of an element is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. क्योंकि जो mass number होता है वो protons और neutrons का sum होता है. अब क्योंकि जो protons और neutrons होते हैं वो फ्रैक्शन में नहीं हो सकते, दैट मीन्स मास नंबर भी कभी फ्रैक्शनल नहीं होता, इट इज ऑलवेज द होल नंबर. नाउ हाउ वी आर एबल टू रिप्रेजेंट एन एटम विद इट्स मास नंबर एज वेल एज एटॉमिक नंबर. सो वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट एन एलिमेंट along with its mass number as well as atomic number as, that is x, it is z, and it is a. Now what is x, what is a, what is z here? This x represents the symbol of the element, you know, symbol of the element, symbol of the element, and this z, it represents the atomic number of that element, atomic number of the element, and this a represents the mass number of the element, mass number. It represents the mass number. Now sometimes the students forget whether the mass number comes at the top or the atomic number comes at the top, and so you can remember it just by the fact that the mass number, that means it is the mass number, and you know the mass is always kept on the head. मास हमेशा जब भी हम भार उठाते हैं तो भार को हम कहाँ रखते हैं, सिर के ऊपर रखते हैं. दैट मीन्स जो मास नंबर है वो हमेशा टॉप पे आएगा, सिर पे आएगा. और जो एटॉमिक नंबर है, एटॉमिक नंबर मीन्स शूज हम पहनते हैं तो शूज का नंबर होता है, और शूज कहाँ पहनते हैं, पाँव में पहनते हैं, नीचे पहनते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई एटॉमिक नंबर इज ऑलवेज केप्ट एट द लोअर साइड एंड द मास नंबर इज केप्ट ऑन द upper side. So we can remember it just like Now, for example, if you have to represent the sodium, just we can write sodium symbol, you know, Na, atomic number is sodium 11, and this mass number is 20. Similarly, magnesium represent, you can represent magnesium as magnesium, atomic number 12, mass number is 24. Aluminium we can represent atomic number 13, mass number 27, etc. So in this way we can represent the different types of element. Now further, how we are able to calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons present of an atom of an element. So for this you have to remember, if you have to calculate the number of protons is equal to the atomic number. Remember, always remember, number of protons are always equal to atomic number, which is equal to Z. Now, number of electrons are also equal to atomic number, and number of neutrons is equal to, that is, mass number minus atomic number. That is A minus Z. So number of electron is equal to atomic number, that is Z, but in a neutral atom. You can write it as a neutral atom. Why? क्योंकि जो आयंस होते हैं, अगर कोई कैटाइन होगा, कैटाइन यू नो कि जब कोई एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर देता है तो उसके ऊपर जितने वो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा उतने पॉजिटिव चार्ज जाएगा, और अगर कोई एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा तो जितने वो इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा उतने उसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. Means in that case the number of electrons can either increase or decrease. So in that case you cannot represent the atomic number in terms of number of electrons. You have always to represent atomic number in terms of number of protons. Now number of electrons, अगर आप न्यूट्रल एटम की बात करेंगे तो आपको पता है जितने उसमें प्रोटॉन्स होंगे उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे. That means in that case you can write number of electrons is equal to atomic number, but in neutral atom. However, in case of ions, the number of electrons are not equal to atomic number. They can vary, okay, depending upon the nature of the ion, whether it is cation or anion. So it is the calculation of the protons, neutrons and electrons in the ions or different species. Now further we will discuss about the isotopes, isobars, isotones, that is isotopes, isobars, isotones and isoelectronics species. So isotopes, isobars, isotones, isoelectronics. Okay, now we will discuss all these one by one. First is isotopes. You know, iso means same, tops means protons. It has been observed that we have certain examples of certain atoms which has the same atomic number but different mass number. Means atomic number same होने का मतलब उसमें number of protons same होगी. So isotopes means these are the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. They are called as the isotopes. And you know, in our periodic table the first element is hydrogen, and hydrogen has mainly 3 isotopes, that is having atomic number all the 3 1 and mass number is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the first isotope is 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So means atomic number in all the cases is 1, that is same, but their mass number is different, 1, 2 and 3. So this 1H1, it has special name called as protium, represented by P, deuterium, 1H2, deuterium, D, and this 1H3, this tritium, T. So means जो ordinary hydrogen होती है, it is the protium isotope, deuterium 1H2, tritium 1H3, and this is the protium which has no neutron. And you know the number of neutron, 1H1, 1 minus 1 0. Protium has no neutron, 2 minus 1 1. Deuterium has 1 neutron, tritium has 2 neutrons. So this is these are examples of isotopes. Now हाइड्रोजन को छोड़ के बाकी जितने भी एलिमेंट्स के आइसोटॉप्स होते हैं उनका कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं होता, केवल हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट ऐसा है जिसके आइसोटॉप्स का एक पर्टिकुलर नाम है, दैट इज प्रोटियम, ड्यूटेरियम एंड ट्रिटियम। बाकी एलिमेंट्स के जो आइसोटॉप्स होते हैं उनको हम उनके मास नंबर से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल क्लोरीन, यू नो क्लोरीन हैज द मेनली टू आइसोटॉप्स, दैट इज क्लोरीन 35 एंड क्लोरीन 37. So means the isotopes of other elements other than hydrogen, they are represented by their mass numbers, that is chlorine 35, chlorine 37, you know carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14 and so on. So means हाइड्रोजन को छोड़ के बाकी जितने भी एलिमेंट्स के आइसोटॉप्स होते हैं उनको उनके हम मास नंबर से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। केवल हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट्स के जो आइसोटॉप्स हैं उनका एक पर्टिकुलर नाम होता है, स्पेशल नाम होता है, दैट इज प्रोटियम, ड्यूटेरियम, ट्रिटियम। सो दीज आर द आइसोटॉप्स। नेक्स्ट हम बात करें आइसोबार्स। नाउ आइसो मींस सेम, बार मींस मास नंबर। These are the atoms of isobars are the atoms of different elements. Remember, isotopes जो थे वो same elements के atoms थे, but जो isobars हैं these are atoms of different element having same mass number but different atomic number. So these are called as the isobars. For example, अगर आप examples की बात करो isobars के, तो isobars का example अगर हम ले सकते हैं, that is argon, potassium and calcium. You know, argon atomic number 18, potassium atomic number 19, calcium atomic number 20, but their mass numbers are same, 40, 40, 40. So means these are the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers. So these are called as the isobars. Next is isotones. Iso means same, tones means neutrons. ऐसे याद रखें। Means isotones are the atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons. They are called as the isotones. Now, what are the examples of isotones? You can see the isotones has the example, that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16. That is, these are examples. Carbon, you know, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16. Means isotones have same number of neutron. That is, and you know, number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. That is 14 minus 6. That is equal to 8. 50 minus 7 is equal to 8. 60 minus 8 is equal to 8. Means they have the same number of neutrons. और हम एक बात और करें, जो आइसोटोन्स होते हैं they have the same, they have the different atomic numbers as well as the different mass numbers. उनका कोई भी नंबर सेम नहीं होता, चाहे वो एटॉमिक नंबर हो चाहे मास नंबर हो, दोनों डिफरेंट होते हैं। Why? Because they have the same number of neutrons. Next is isoelectronics. Isoelectronics means these are the species. Species means either ions or atoms having same number of electrons. Isoelectronics. Iso means same, electron means electron. The species, that is atoms or ions having same number of electrons are called isoelectronics. For example, अगर हम example की बात करें, this is O2 negative, that is F negative, Na positive, Mg2 positive, aluminium 3 positive, etc. That is oxide ion, fluoride ion, neon, sodium ion, magnesium ion and aluminium ions. You know, oxygen has atomic number 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 electrons, 9 atomic number, fluorine 9 plus 1, 10. Neon, you know, neutral, 10. Sodium 11 minus 1, 10. 12 minus 2, 10. 13 minus 3, 10. Means these are called as the isoelectronics. इनको हम नाम देंगे आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का। सो याद कैसे रखेंगे? आइसोटॉप्स में सेम नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन, प्रोटॉन मीन्स एटॉमिक नंबर सेम होगा बट मास नंबर डिफरेंट होगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड आइसोटॉप्स एंड दीज आर द एटम्स ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट। आइसोबार्स सेम मास नंबर बट डिफरेंट एटॉमिक नंबर। आइसोटोन्स सेम नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स। आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। सो वी कैन से in order to memorize these, we can say in neutral atom means this one, the number of electrons is equal to atomic number, that is Z. Further, in an anion, अगर आप anion की बात करो, anion that is number of electron जो होते हैं आयंस में, number of electrons are greater than number of protons and therefore number of electron is equal to Z plus n. Z plus n means where Z is the atomic number and n is the number of neutrons. Now in metal ions, in positive ions, you say in positive ions, that is Mn positive, and you know cation is formed by the loss of electron, therefore cation जब भी बनेगा तो number of electron जो होंगे they will be less than number of protons. Number of protons हमेशा कम होंगे, and therefore in that case the number of electron जो होंगे, if you have to calculate them, the number of electron is equal to atomic number minus number of neutrons. और जो number of proton होंगे that is always equal to atomic number, and number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. These are the formula for the calculation of number of electrons only. That is number of electron. मेटल आयन पॉजिटिव आयन में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे एटॉमिक नंबर माइनस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, नेगेटिव आयन में नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे एटॉमिक नंबर प्लस नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, और जो न्यूट्रल एटम होगा नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू एटॉमिक नंबर. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस बाय दिस थिंग. Okay, so today this is the atomic number as well as the mass number, and you have studied all this.